Hello students, in this short little video I'm going to show you how to name a range of data or your data set, as well as how to change the values, change the formulas for the values so that the values don't change, because we need that in most of our lab assignments and exercises. So the first thing I want to do is name the data set. So we're going to go into formulas, define name. Actually, first of all, let's highlight this. Define name, enter name of your data, make it nice and simple, Kevin. And there, your data set has been named Kevin. As you and one of the benefits of this is when we start doing some of the functions like median, for example, we go equals median, bracket. One way to do this is to highlight the data. If we want to calculate the mean of that data, using the average function, we can highlight the data. And so your first lab assignment has you doing various functions for that. Now, a various number of functions, which can become time-consuming if you always have to go equals, max, for example, highlight all your data, then do the same thing for min and count. So that's one reason why we want to name this data, because we can also go here. We can also go median. Instead of highlighting all the data, we just enter the data name, and we'll get the same answer. Same thing with average. So keep the name of the data nice, short, and simple. Kevin's a good name, but I would recommend using your own name. If you forget the name of the data, you can go into Name Manager, and there it is. You can edit this so you know that it includes cells A4 to cells A23. Okay, let's close that. Let's get rid of one of these. You'll notice that every time I enter or change one of the cells, the values are changing. So I'm in an empty cell. I press delete, and everything is changing. Almost starts looking like the matrix. So your lab exercises and your lab assignments are built that way, just to ensure that we are all working on slightly different data, just to really help all of us have a better understanding of the course material. But of course, we don't want to have the data change because we're trying to calculate the median, the average, percentiles and stuff, so we don't want our final answers changing. So what to do, and I know I've explained this in the lab exercises, but I'll just make it, explain it one more time here. Highlight all your data, right-click, copy, without moving, right-click. I would click on Paste Special, and you get this pop-up window, and then click Values. And now you'll see that once you go to a blank cell, press and hold delete, nothing is changing in here. All these values now don't have that randomization function for it.